GM my people, what's good guys? So today we're going to be looking at the Skyx Airdrop, okay? As you can see. Now, Skyx is a decentralized weather network powered by Web3 and AI. It leverages on IoT-enabled weather stations or mobile app inputs to collect local weather data, okay? Now, the participants of this airdrop are to collect Nano points, which will be, converted to Sky tokens in the nearest future. And as you can see here, how this works, you're gonna have to download the app either on iOS or Android, depending on the device you're using. You sign up and then you start harvesting points. Now, as you can see, you can only harvest points once every 6 hours, up to twice daily. Okay, so if you harvest now, you have to wait for 6 hours before you will be able to harvest again. Okay, so then you accumulate these points. They call it nano points. Then whenever it will be, they have not given us any dates yet, they will switch these points to our Sky tokens. Okay, then as you can see, additional opportunities, occasional quests like zeal quests may come in, and then you can also buy a node or a device to earn more. Okay, so these are their fundings and their backers. As you can see, started since November 2024, and it was led by EV3, EOT Ventures, and Waterdrip Capital. Okay, and they raised 1 million in their pre-seed round. I mean, that's a good sign, right? So that pre-seed round was actually in the 12th of November 2024. Okay, so now we're gonna let's look at their X and see what more they have to offer. As you can see, they named themselves the Starlink for weather. That's amazing. I mean, they got to do that. It means that they have come a long way, right? And they have been collaborating with new guys, as you can see, FarmSense.io, Drone Dash. These guys are just all about weather and eco-friendly type shit. Okay, so here they also explained their device, the Sky 100. Wow, it's a lightweight portable node weather station, as you can see. Okay, so that's literally what this guy is all about. They're all about weather. They're all about weather detection. As you can see here, this is somebody's app. I'm going to show you how to set up your app ASAP soon. Okay, now what you're gonna have to do is go to your Play Store, depending on the device you're using. If you're using an iOS device, you go to your Apple Store. Using an Android device, you go to your Play Store and search for Skyx. The first one you see right here is what you're looking for. Okay, click on install. Alright, once you have done installing your Skyx app, then click open the app. And you can see, welcome to Skyx Decentralized Intelligent Weather Network. Alright, so since this is your first time, click on create an account, and then you see the prompt to sign up with your email. Click on that. Choose a username. And now to confirm that this is actually you, okay, they'll send a 6-digit code to your Gmail, which you have to retrieve and enter here. I'll just do that. Then when you have pasted it, click verify email, and you can allow notifications so that you don't miss out on your mining updates. Click on continue, and you have successfully created an account on the Skyx platform. Okay, you can continue. You can see what they're all about: earn rewards and create impact. Collect valuable points by contributing your data to accurate forecasts, your own varied data forecasts, explore the weather around you. So now you have to re-log in. Okay, and this is your homepage. Literally, the app looks bare bones though. Okay, there's not much going on here. As you can see, this is your profile, and these are your transactions, because you've not had any transactions. Okay, so now this will be our first claim. Click on harvest points, and each time you click on harvest points, you get 5 nano. Okay, you get 5 nano, and now if you go to your transactions, you can see it's now registered there that you harvested points at so time. and that's the amount, 5 nano. Okay, now this is the Explorer. I don't know, it doesn't do much, it's just to help you see how the weather forecast is going and everything. And now these are your devices. If you bought the Sky 100 and you can connect it here and you know, get more nano points, okay? But that is everything about the Skyx Airdrop, okay? So now, if you want to know more about this airdrop, or if you have any questions or confusions, hit us up on our Telegram and our X, and I will definitely reply to you. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so I don't miss any updates on this channel, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.